We break up and you slam the door.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia, and today's video is going to be a good one. I literally spent all day long cleaning, and today I'm really going to be focusing on the kitchen area. I really needed to organize and deep clean my refrigerator, but before we get started, I really wanted to throw in a load of laundry and get that started. And then we are going to head over to the kitchen.
Sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love, we got that mad love, we got that sad.
Our refrigerator has been a hot mess for a minute, but before I even can get that started, I need to clear off the countertops because I need some space to put everything and go through all of the foods, see what I need to throw out, and also just give me a chance to deep clean the fridge.
I can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that love, we got that, we got that, we got that, we got
There were some dishes in the sink, and I knew that I really needed to clean out this area because I was going to be pulling out the drawers from the refrigerator, and I really needed as much space as possible. So I figured I might as well throw these into the dishwasher and get that going while I then start on the refrigerator.
I just wanna make you mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you.
Okay, so now that we got everything cleaned up, the countertops look nice and cleared out, it's now time to start tackling this refrigerator. As you guys can see, it is jam-packed with a bunch of foods and just random things. It was to the point where it was even starting to smell a bit, and I knew I needed to tackle. I've been putting this job off for a while now because if you guys have ever deep cleaned your refrigerator, you know it is a major job. So I'm starting off by just removing everything. I figure I'm going to just work each shelf by shelf. I'm going to wipe everything down, throw out anything that has gone bad, and really just organize it and make it look pretty again.
I know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. No, I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. No, I've realized.
Tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. 'Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me.
To wipe everything down, I just went in with some soap and water. For me, I just feel as if this is the most like sanitary way to do it. I know some people use like chemicals and things like that, but I just don't personally feel comfortable doing that. So I go back to the old school way of just using some good old soap and water.
You're the only reason I'm free.
For the most part, I have wiped down most of the refrigerator, and I was able to throw out so much food that had gone bad. So the only thing left to do is to wash all of the containers, and because I had already started the dishwasher, I just have to wash everything by hand.
You're the only reason. frozen up in the clouds. But I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky, oh. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good. Something good. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best.
Moving on to the freezer, the first thing I'm going to do is to throw out all of the ice. There was some stuff that was actually like stuck in this bin and I really wanted to wipe everything down. Also, for some reason, they decided to change the pH level, I think, of our water. So as of right now, we are not able to actually drink the water. So what we ended up doing is we turned off the water for the refrigerator. That's why we have that big jug that you guys seen earlier on the counter. And all of this ice is actually from the old contaminated water as well. So I ended up going to the store earlier on in the day and getting a bag of ice. So I just put on the hot water to help melt all of the ice, and then I'm going to refill this bin once it dries with the bag of ice I bought earlier.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
I thoroughly wiped down this drawer that was in the freezer, and as you guys can see, something had spilled and I wasn't quite sure what it was, but I was able to get it up with the soap and water, and now I'm using these Dollar Tree bins to organize everything.
Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down, love. Not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border.
This bottom part is a hot mess. I didn't even realize it was this bad, and you guys will see how much stuff ended up like falling. It was to the point where I had to go in with the vacuum and clean it all up. So what I'm doing is taking everything out, trying to categorize it so that I can use the bins and put everything together and keep everything organized.
We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
And this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments.
Why don't you help me? I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night.
Now that we have the biggest project out of the way, and guys, at this point I was so tired, but I definitely needed to finish up in the kitchen. So I'm going to put all of the containers that I had washed earlier away, and then wipe down the countertops, sweep and mop the floor.
Fool for you, baby, fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. I know it isn't logical. That something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do.
The kitchen was clean, and while the floors were drying, I figured I would come upstairs and fold this load of laundry that I had put into the washer earlier on in this video. It really wasn't too much, although I was tired. It was just a load of towels, and I knew that's always just something quick that can be folded and put away.